We wanted a optional place to mount our Starlink Mini when laying it on the dash just wasn't working. This happens when heading south or west, especially in deep canyons. Mounting on the roof wouldn't work out for us because the tree limbs and brush dragging across the roof when we explore the remote areas could damage it or tear it off. We also wanted to be able to install and remove it quickly so it could be placed in an open area when we were parked under trees or concerned about theft. This is our solution with RAM mount hardware, and it works great. The first speed test was heading north on Utah Highway 128 deep in the Colorado River Canyon. That means the dish was looking south, which usually gets no satellite signal. Great result anyway. The second speed test was in a deep canyon with the van heading southwest. We expected that to be our best test, and were blown away by the result. We had no idea that 370 megabits per second was even possible with Starlink. We even had signal with the van up against a high vertical cliff. We're excited about rolling with this on our next trip.